You ever notice how the moment you stop chasing something, it suddenly starts chasing you? It's like when you ignore your phone for hours, and the second you pick it up, a flood of messages comes in. Well, the same applies to relationships. If she walked away, if she lost interest, or if things fell apart, what if I told you that by doing less, you could actually make her come back? Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, this is where Stoicism flips the script and changes everything. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to make her rethink, regret, and return. 1. Stop chasing. Start living. When someone leaves, the first instinct is to panic. You start over-texting, over-apologizing, over-explaining, basically over everything. And you know what that does. It pushes them further away. Imagine you're holding a bar of soap in the shower. The harder you squeeze it, the faster it slips out of your hand. The same goes for relationships. Desperation is unattractive. Stoicism teaches you detachment. Not the cold, emotionless kind, but the I control myself and not external events kind. Instead of running after her, you focus on you. You start hitting the gym, leveling up your skills, rediscovering your passions. The moment she sees you thriving without her, something clicks in her brain. Wait, why isn't he broken? That curiosity alone can make her rethink everything. Women are drawn to confidence, self-respect, and purpose. If she left because she thought she could do better, prove her wrong, not with words but with your actions. Stop chasing, stop convincing, just become the best version of yourself and watch how the dynamics shift. 2. Master your emotions. Think about the last time you lost control of your emotions. Maybe you got jealous, sent a long emotional text, or lashed out in frustration. And how did that work out for you? Exactly. Emotional instability is like throwing gasoline on a fire. It doesn't fix the problem, it makes it worse. Stoicism teaches that the only thing you truly control is your own mind. So instead of reacting to every little thing she does, take a step back. Imagine you're in a storm, rain, thunder, and chaos all around you. But instead of running for cover, you stand firm, unshaken. That's what emotional mastery looks like. The moment she realizes she can't control your emotions, she starts to respect you. And respect is the foundation of attraction. If she expects you to beg, cry, or chase after her and you don't, she's going to feel something she didn't expect: doubt. Did I make a mistake? Why isn't he reacting? Maybe I misjudged him. And that's when the power shifts. When you control your emotions, you control the situation. 3. Embrace the power of silence. Silence is powerful. If she's used to you always being available, always texting first, always checking in, suddenly going silent will shock her system. It's like when your favorite show ends on a cliffhanger and you need to know what happens next. That's what your silence does. It makes her curious. Stoics believed in the power of self-control and patience. Instead of reacting impulsively, they waited. And in relationships, this works wonders. If she pulls away and you stop reaching out, one of two things will happen. She'll move on completely, proving she was never truly invested in the first place. She'll start wondering why you aren't chasing her, and that doubt will bring her back. Either way, you win. You avoid looking desperate, and you give her the space to miss you. Because here's the truth: people only realize what they had when it's no longer there. 4. Level up your life. If you're sitting around waiting for her to text you back, you're already losing. Women are drawn to men who are going somewhere, not men who are sitting around waiting for someone to validate them. Think about it. If she sees you traveling, hitting the gym, working on your goals, and living your best life, what's she going to think? She's going to wonder why you're so unbothered. And the crazy thing, the moment she sees that, she might want to be a part of it again. But here's the trick. You don't do it for her. You do it for you. Because at the end of the day, if you truly embrace this mindset, you'll reach a point where you don't even care if she comes back. And that is when she's most likely to. 5. Develop an abundance mindset. Scarcity makes you weak. If you believe she was the only woman for you, you'll act desperate. But if you truly understand that there are millions of women in the world, you won't place all your happiness on just one. The Stoics believed in self-sufficiency. That means being whole on your own. If she left, it's because she thought she could do better. Let her find out the hard way that she was wrong. When you develop an abundance mindset, you naturally become more attractive. Why? Because women are drawn to men who don't need them. The moment she realizes that you could move on but choose not to, she'll start questioning everything. 6. Let her come to you. Here's where most men mess up. She starts showing interest again, maybe liking your posts, sending a, "Hey, how have you been?" text. And what do most guys do? They jump at the opportunity. Wrong move. Instead, let her put in the effort. If she wants back in, she has to prove it. She has to earn it. Because the new you is not the same desperate guy she left. The new you has standards. By this point, she'll either come back with real effort or she won't. Either way, you're good. Because now, you're in control of your own happiness. And that's the real secret. When you stop needing her to come back, she wants to. Look, I know breakups suck. I know it hurts when someone you care about walks away. But the worst thing you can do is lose yourself trying to get them back. The best thing? Focus on you. Improve. Grow. Stay silent. Let time do its thing. And before you know it, she might just come back, wondering why she ever left in the first place. And if she doesn't, well, by then, you'll be too busy living your best life to even care. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Stay strong, stay stoic, and I'll see you in the next one.